Hey guys, coming at you with a Tristar break. We got one bag of Series 5 and a box of the new Tristar Hidden Treasures Baseball Series 6. Went ahead and cut the top off of this bag and the bags in there. I haven't looked at the balls, so now we're going to look out and see what we get. Let me see here. Got, looks like Maury Wills. Is it Maury Wills? Yep, Maury Wills. 5-time All-Star, 1962. All-Star National League MVP, 2-time Gold Glove winner, 3-time World Series champion with the Dodgers. Alright, now we're on to the case of 2006 Tristar Hidden Treasures. You get 6 balls in a case, and we'll see what the first one brings us here. Can't read this autograph. Alright, let's see what the certificate says. Chris Chambliss, 1971 American League Rookie of the Year, 1976 All-Star, 1978 Gold Glove Award, played in 3 World Series, 2-time World Series champ. Hit one of the most memorable home runs in baseball history with his 9th-inning walk-off home run to win the American League Championship Series. During that series, he tied or set 5 American League Championship Series records for hits and RBI. So it's a nice ball. Not bad. Alright, ball number 2. Ah, dang it. There we go. Uh-oh, didn't want to see that. Billy Richardson. Inscribed 60 World Series MVP. Not bad. Got an inscription. It's Bobby Richardson. 1960 World Series, 7-time All-Star, 5-time Gold Glove, played in 7 World Series, 3-time World Series champion. The Yankees, 1963 Lou Gehrig, 1962 league leader in hits with 209. So, got an inscription ball. Not bad at all. We'll definitely take an inscription. Alright, ball number 3. Let's see, who do we got here? Frank Lynn? Fred Lynn. 1975 American League Rookie of the Year, 1975 American League MVP, 1982 ALCS MVP, 9-time All-Star and 83 All-Star MVP, first player to hit a grand slam in an All-Star game, 4-time Gold Glove winner in the outfield, 4-time top 10 in batting average. So Fred Lynn. Not bad. Ball number 4. Which one are we gonna get? Which one are we gonna get? I know this autograph. That's Fergie Jenkins. It's my second Fergie Jenkins ball. Man. So that one's for sale or for trade. Fergie Jenkins. Alright, ball number 5 is Don Schwal, 1961 American League Rookie of the Year. Yep, Don Schwal, 1961 American League Rookie of the Year, 1961 All-Star, played college basketball at the University of Oklahoma, highest scoring sophomore in Oklahoma history. Winning pitcher in the first MLB game ever played in Atlanta while pitching for the Braves. So, yes. Braves, man. That's a good ball to have. Alright. The last ball in the case. Start putting some of these in here. Alright, now we got Up, Cecil Cooper. Yep, Cecil Cooper. Cecil Cooper, 5-time All-Star, 2-time Gold Glove winner, top 10 in MVP voting 4 consecutive years, and 2-time RBI leader, 1980, 1983. Well, there you have it. There's my Tristar break for the day, and hope you guys enjoyed it.